Don't let up on it this time.
Oh, it's a big one.
Pull him up out there. Pull him up out there. Yeehaw!
Yeehaw! I don't know if I can get this one off.
You gotta put your thumb in his lip.
What?
Take your thumb and pinch him.
Where?
Right there in his front lip. Just take and get a hold of him. No, the bottom one.
Bottom?
Yeah.
Why?
That's where you hold him at to take the hook off.
Right here?
Yeah. He won't bite. He won't bite. Get a hold of him, you gotta get a hold tight. Now he'll jerk, but it'll be okay. Get a hold of him.